$2 and another $2 and another one and another one. All of this money straight into your PayPal account, and it's available worldwide. Another $2 once again. We can literally do this all day. Another $2, oh my goodness, and another and more. All of this and many more brought to you by our method for today. The method that we are about to show is completely insane as it is free. You're going to love this method because aside from it paying you $2 per video that you like, it has so much more to offer and you're going to know more if you keep watching. This method is available to everyone from everywhere around the world, so you don't need to worry about that. You don't need any skills or experience to do this. It's extremely easy to do and literally anyone can accomplish this. The money that you will earn from this method won't exactly make you a millionaire, but as a beginner, this is the best way to start, and even for those people who just want to earn money on the side. This is for you. So what are you waiting for? We're going to be walking you through today's whole process step by step because we always want to make sure that you'll turn out successful with each and every method that we give you. You know we are all about the free-flowing methods in this channel, so we can assure you that today's video is your best option yet. Also, thank you for all the sweet comments concerning my voice. We're all good now and healthy as ever, and bringing back only the best of the best content. Anyway, the process is easy to follow, but that's if you really pay attention and follow along closely. So make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of our channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So go on ahead and be on your default browser and then proceed to type in rapidworkers.com. Rapid Workers is a crowdsourced service with more than 100,000 workers. Our team helps individuals, small businesses, and professionals to create low-cost publicity and marketing campaigns to increase sales, better ranking, blank links, and much more. We are combining workers and employers to minimize publicity and marketing costs while at the same time providing money for everyday users. So for workers, all you need to do is sign up, look through the micro jobs that will be given to you, select the job or jobs that you would like to do, finish those tasks, and then submit proof, and then you earn money and so much more. You can even cash out through different ways like PayPal, bank transfer, and so many more. We mentioned that you can cash out through different methods, but we do want to know if you had the choice to choose any payment method in the world, what would it be? Leave a comment down below letting us know. So now we're going to sign up to see and know more, and so you can see what we're talking about. To sign up, just click on Be a Part of Rapid Workers Now, and then it should lead you here, where you want to sign up and fill up all of the details being asked. So that's your name, your email, your password, country you're from, and if you actually click on countries over here, you'll see that they're accepting from literally everywhere. So this should be another assurance for you that this is something that you can do worldwide. And then after that, you're going to confirm you're not a robot and you can officially create your account. Now note though that they have certain rules and regulations that you need to follow, or else you're not going to earn from this method at all. So the first one is that using VPN or other type of masking IP software is not allowed. Multiple accounts with the same IP or using shared public Wi-Fi is also not allowed. Same IP used with other accounts to do tasks is also not allowed. And doing other country jobs that you're not from is also not allowed. all of these will eventually ban, and if you got banned, don't waste your time making another account. So technically, if you don't follow the rules that they give, they're gonna completely ban you from this website and you will lose your opportunity. So stick with what you have, stick with what you can do, because you're still gonna be able to earn from that. You know, it's better to be safe than sorry. So it's available worldwide, which means you can definitely participate in this. If there are some issues though, let us know in the comments down below and leave your country with it too, and we'll look into it and update you. Now let's continue. So once you've clicked on create account, they're going to ask you to confirm your email. So just go to your email, check your inbox, and click on the link on the email that they send you. And this is how that email would look like, just for a better perspective. And then you're going to click on this link right here, and then once you verified your email by clicking the link, you finally have an account, and you can just log into your account on the website. Just input your email, your password, confirm you're not a robot again, submit or log in, and this is how the inside of your account would look like. So in the top part, you can keep track of everything: your balance, your deposits, withdrawals, how long ago you were active, and all that. Basically everything, right? So it's really great because you're able to keep track of everything, all of the activity going into your account. You would know if someone's in your account whatsoever. So you can get paid $1 to just sign up, okay? Even $5. So the earning potential on this website is incredible. Plus, you can do this non-stop, okay? So as soon as you scroll down, you will see all of the tasks, and all of these also have their respective payments, the amount, the time, how long the tasks would take to do. 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 8 minutes, different, and it's all within minutes. Most of this is 3 minutes long, or just less than 3 minutes, or less than 10 minutes. So you'll also see the respective countries that they're available in. So I said that this is available worldwide, but you do have to watch out because the tasks here have like international tasks, some US, some Brazil, some India. So watch out for that. You can go on the international one since that's more flexible, but of course you can also go to those that target only in your country, because that's still a really great opportunity for you. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. So our focus is obviously getting paid to like videos, and to do that we want you to look up YouTube right here. And to get the most paying YouTube tasks, you just click on most paying right here. So just click on that so we can see the highest paying tasks as of current. So as you can see, there are tasks that pay you $11 for only 8 minutes of work. So you can earn as much as that in a span of 8 minutes. This is less than 10 minutes, alright? And now once you're done with one task, you can move on to the next task, which we think is actually pretty great. So as an example, let's click on this international task that will pay you $2 in less than 3 minutes. And once you click on that, it will lead you to another web page wherein you'll see all of the information that you'll need to be able to complete the specific task. So all you need to do is follow all of this. Once you've completed the task, just follow what they say to do next, and then you will get paid for sure. And it's literally easy as that. Whatever task you want to complete, you can easily find it here and earn up to $11, okay, per task that you only need to make in 8 minutes. And that's basically all for this method. So that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we put out a new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.